Welcome to the world of Kali Linux, an advanced operating system designed for cybersecurity professionals and enthusiasts. Kali Linux provides a wide range of powerful tools and features for penetration testing, digital forensics, and ethical hacking. With Kali Linux, you can perform vulnerability assessments, exploit vulnerabilities, and secure your systems against potential threats. Kali Linux is equipped with a vast collection of pre-installed tools, making it a comprehensive platform for cybersecurity professionals. Kali Linux supports various testing methodologies, including social engineering, wireless attacks, and web application testing. Kali Linux offers a user-friendly interface and extensive documentation, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. Kali Linux is constantly updated and supported by a vibrant community, ensuring the latest security tools and techniques are available.